A turning point towards financial success can look different for everyone, depending on your current situation and goals. Here are some common examples of turning points that can jumpstart your financial journey. Creating a financial plan. This might seem basic, but taking the time to understand your income, expenses, and financial goals is a crucial first step. Having a roadmap allows you to make informed decisions about your money and track your progress. Shifting your mindset. Financial success requires a shift from spending to saving and investing. Developing a habit of living below your means and prioritizing your financial goals can be a turning point. Increasing your income. This could involve asking for a raise, taking on a side hustle, or pursuing a career change with higher earning potential. A significant increase in income can accelerate your ability to save and invest. Paying off debt. High-interest debt can be a major roadblock to financial security. Prioritizing debt repayment, especially high-interest credit cards, frees up more money for saving and future investments. Investing for the long term. Starting a regular investment plan, even with small amounts, can be a turning point. The power of compound interest allows your money to grow over time, building wealth for the future. Learning a new skill. Investing in yourself by acquiring new skills or certifications can increase your earning potential and open doors to better paying opportunities. Experiencing a financial windfall, an inheritance, winning the lottery, although unlikely, or receiving a large bonus can be a turning point if used wisely. Investing this windfall strategically can significantly boost your financial future.